Greetings! Today I'm in Lugano, Italy, right outside the train station. Today I'm going to be heading down into the old town, wandering through the streets, shops and restaurants, and then heading up a funicular up to San Salvatore up on top of a mountain. Should be interesting. Quite a ways down to the lower city. You got to walk down a lot of stairs, a steep street. It's definitely worth it. Old town down there is quite beautiful. I'm in one of the pedestrian squares here in Lugano. A lot of the central old Lugano is pedestrian only. A lot of great shops and restaurants. Really fun to walk around in. Wow, this Lakeside path is really beautiful. Beautiful day. Hardly a cloud in the sky. I think I'm really going to enjoy it today. Nothing better than a shaded, tree-lined walk along the lake on a hot day. Beautiful. So behind me is the funicular up to San Salvatore, where I'm going to be heading today. Looks pretty steep, pretty straight up a hill. Should be pretty exciting. There's a restaurant, trails, and museum up top. So let's go take a look. Well, I made it to the top. Fun ride way up high. Now there's a restaurant up here with a heck of a view, so I thought I'd grab a bite to eat. And I ordered the spaghetti carbonara, one of my favorite dishes. Let's see how it is. Wow, really good. Well, finished with lunch. It was really delicious. I'm going to walk around up here. There's some great views, some trails, even a museum of some sort, so I'm going to go check it out. Up at the top here, there's a great viewpoint with like 360-degree views and some kind of church up here. Very beautiful. panoramic view on top of the church here. Beautiful view. A lot of flies. Apparently every fly in Switzerland is up here for some reason, swarming all around me. So I think I'm gonna head down quickly. And there's a trail heading down the mountain. I'm going to try that instead of the funicular. It's quite a way up. It's probably going to be a long way down, but downhill is better. This trail is really downhill. A lot of steps and rocks. It's a really rocky trail, which makes it tough because you spend most of your time looking down at your feet rather than around the scenery. But the weather's nice and it's quite beautiful out, so definitely worth it. I'd make sure you have good shoes, bring some water. Whew, wow. Well, I'm back down from the top of the mountain, walked all the way down. If you're going to take the hike, I'd recommend taking the funicular up, hiking back down. A lot of people were hiking up. I wouldn't have made it. It was hard enough all the way down. Nice walk, but a difficult walk. That's it for today. My legs are shot. I'm going to head back, take a shower. Like and subscribe this video, and I hope to see you on my next adventure.